Welcome to another video. We will take an in-depth look to Asia's most anticipated SUV that will hit the dealership this 2017. A very popular model in China, and it is creating buzz in some part of Southeast Asia, especially in Malaysia, India, and Russia. The auto manufacturer Geely officially launched Geely Boyue, also called Geely Boyue NL3, or Geely Emgrand Boyue in other countries. The Malaysian auto manufacturer Proton will have this rebadge for the Malaysian market. Impressive design was done to this model. We all know that Chinese car brands is very synonymous in copying other design, especially cars in Europe and North America. The Geely Boyue was designed by Peter Horbury, a former designer in Volvo, and now heads Geely's design department located in Gothenburg, Shanghai, Barcelona, and Los Angeles. Stylish and elegant, that is the impression once you saw one on the road. Regarding feature, here are the following information that comes as a standard on both variants. They come with alloy wheels, halogen headlights with Follow Me Home technology, push start engine setup, rear window defroster, and roof rack. The Geely Boyue comes with two engine options, a 1.8-liter Euro 5 turbo diesel engine, and a 2-liter Euro 5 natural aspirated petrol engine, available in manual transmission, and CVT. Horsepower for diesel engine comes with two options, 161 horsepower, with 250 Nm of torque for the manual transmission, and 181 horsepower, with 285 Nm of torque for the CVT variant. For the petrol engine, it comes with 104 horsepower, and 178 Nm of torque. Four-wheel drive option is available only to diesel CVT variant, and the rest is front-wheel drive. McPherson struts for the front suspension, and trailing arm for the back suspension is a standard for diesel and petrol variant. Inside, modern design was put in the vehicle that is available on the European counterpart, especially the instrument panels and gauges on the dashboard. Power windows, power lock, and airbags comes as a standard on both variant. Spacious legroom at the back seat was very impressive, as they can fit a tall person without any hassle. Overall, the Geely Boyue offers a lot of modern features without sacrificing your budget. A perfect vehicle for those customer or drivers who wants an upgrade from their sedan counterpart. For those who are living in the urban area, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and more videos still to come on our page. Please subscribe to this page, like our page in Facebook at Manila Motoring, and visit our website at manilamotoring.blogspot.com. Thank you very much and have a good day.